Xin chào! Welcome to my channel with Mom Cooking. I'm your Vietnamese mother Xin. Today we will do Vietnamese fish recipe called cá kho tàu. And let's start. Today this video is special because my son requested me wear a hat. This called nón lá in Vietnam. And I and my mom usually wear nón lá to walk to the market. So, but I in the future on another video I cannot wear nón lá. Today we will need this called Yellowtail Fish. We will need about 2 bowls, and we need some green onion. We need some purple onions and garlic, ginger, some chili, and sugar, fish sauce, black pepper. So let's start. First, I have to sear the fish in the pan. So you have to turn on medium-high heat and put some oil. Put some oil. And now we sear the fish first. Look. I will show you how to clean the fish under my video. Now we're good because I marinate the fish about 20 minutes in the refrigerator. I will show you how to marinate the fish. And while we wait for the fish, we have to turn on another pot. Put some oil. When you see the fish, you know when the fish done, it's easy to lift the fish up. So I can show you just like this, and we see another side, and then we will put in this pot. So I will show you this pot. We need oil, and you have to melt the sugar. light round. That's the sugar melt in the oil. And now you put some onion, garlic, ginger, and Thai chili. If your kid cannot eat Thai chili, you can put some bell pepper to make a color look nice. I'm already hungry. You cook a little bit. Look. And now you put the fish inside. Now you just put the fish inside. The fish inside. You will put some fish sauce, some more turmeric, some chicken seasoning, and black pepper. Let me get the camera down here for you see. So you cook a little bit. Cook both sides. And now you need coconut water. Get some coconut water. And we are almost done. I need a big pot. Today I cook 2 bowls. You can put on the coconut to go on it. And now you turn slow or medium. While we're waiting for the fish cooking, I will saute some bok choy for the dish size. So let me chop some garlic because I did use all the garlic for the fish. Okay. And if you want any kind of vegetable, you can. Because I think like all vegetable will be good for you. But we love bok choy, so we will make bok choy today. So we can chop some garlic. Yeah, we can chop some garlic. Oh, oopsie, I will break my blade. Now the pan you turn on medium high heat. Make the pan hot. Get some oil. We can use some garlic, some onion. This is simple but it's really good together. And you will love it. It tastes amazing. Let's see. Let me use the chopstick for my vegetable. Where are my chopstick? Hold on 1 second. I will put some onion. Onion and garlic smell good now. I will put some bok choy inside. stir. I have to cook. Oh, let's go down a little bit. Saute a little bit. And if you don't like oil, you can boil it. Boil bok choy is good too. But I try to cook like just a little oil. I put oil like just over the bottom of the pan. And I love to cook with cat irons. Everything sauteed with cat irons, I think, is the best. Now I will put some chicken seasoning, or if you have vegetable seasoning, you can put it. Some black pepper. And then my hand. And then you can use some salt. Just sprinkle, have taste. Or you can use soy sauce. So, you saute a little bit. Bok choy saute really quick too. Let me see how soft it is. And we turn it up. That's all. That's it. I put some. Turn up first. I put some cilantro. I put some green onion. And now we done. Okay, let me move. Not cook so much. Just wait there. The heat will continue. And now we take the fish. Oops. Okay. The fish are not done. When the fish done, did you put some red onion on top? And then enjoy. Okay, let me show you when the fish done. Look how beautiful and yummy. This is my vegetable already done. Now, let me put on the plate for you see. Hey, finally we're done. Hope you like it, but you have to be careful because the fish have bone. So you can eat with the sauce in the fish, which are really good together. hope you make it and try it and tell me how you think, how the taste. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.